Good evening. Tonight we turn our attention to the skies above, a place of beauty, but also of immense power and unpredictability. As we enter the heart of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, millions along the U.S., Caribbean, and Central American coastlines are on alert. For these communities, the ocean's calm can change in an instant, and the threat of hurricanes is never far from mind. Every year, families, businesses, and entire cities brace themselves for what nature may bring. The annual hurricane forecast from Colorado State University is our first look at what the months ahead may bring. This forecast is the product of months of research, where scientists pore over vast amounts of data, searching for patterns and signals in the atmosphere and ocean. This isn't just about numbers, it's a vital tool for communities, governments, and families to prepare. The forecast helps people decide when to stock up on supplies, review evacuation plans, and strengthen their homes against the coming storms. When respected scientists release their predictions, it sets the tone for the season. Their words carry weight, shaping how officials and the public respond in the crucial weeks ahead. Emergency managers and insurance companies use this data to plan and assess risk. They coordinate resources, update response strategies, and ensure that help will be ready if disaster strikes. For the public, it's a clear signal. The time to prepare is now, before storms form. Early action can make all the difference, turning uncertainty into confidence and chaos into calm. The CSU team combines decades of expertise, historical data, and current climate conditions to create a reliable forecast. They analyze everything from ocean temperatures to wind patterns, using advanced models to predict what lies ahead. Their analysis helps us understand the forces that could shape the coming months. By studying the science behind hurricanes, we gain insight into how these storms form, intensify, and move. This isn't about fear, it's about readiness and respect for nature's power. Hurricanes are a part of life for millions, and understanding them is the first step towards staying safe. The information from CSU allows us to plan, prepare our homes, and ensure our communities are resilient. It empowers us to take action, protect what matters most, and support our neighbors. Let's dive into what the experts expect for the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. We'll explore the science, the predictions, and what they mean for all of us living in hurricane-prone regions. The race to be ready starts now. By staying informed and prepared, we can face the season ahead with resilience and hope. Colorado State University's forecast for 2025 points to a highly active hurricane season. They predict 23 named storms, far above the average of 14. Of these, 11 are expected to become hurricanes, compared to the usual 7. 5 could reach major hurricane status, Category 3 or higher, well above the average of 3. These numbers mean more storms, more intensity, and greater risk for destructive winds, rain, and storm surge. The forecast signals that conditions are primed for both storm formation and intensification. Each number represents a real threat to lives and property. The message is clear. This season could be one of the most active and dangerous on record. Preparation and vigilance are essential from June through November. The time to act is before the first storm forms. Beyond storm counts, scientists use the Accumulated Cyclone Energy, or ACE index, to measure a season's true power. For 2025, CSU predicts an ACE of 210, nearly double the average of 123. ACE combines the intensity and duration of all storms, giving a fuller picture of the season's destructive potential. A high ACE means not just more storms, but stronger and longer-lasting ones. This year's forecast suggests a dangerous mix, many storms with several likely to be powerful and persistent. The high ACE is a direct result of warm oceans and favorable atmospheric patterns. It's a scientific warning. The Atlantic is primed for high-impact weather. Preparedness is more important than ever. Exceptionally warm Atlantic waters are fueling this alarming forecast. This year, the Atlantic is running much hotter than usual, with vast stretches of ocean reaching temperatures rarely seen before. These unusually high temperatures are not just a statistic, they are a warning sign, signaling that the conditions are primed for an active and potentially dangerous hurricane season. Hurricanes draw energy from warm, moist air over tropical seas. Think of it as high-octane fuel. The hotter the water, the more energy is available for storms to form and strengthen. When the ocean acts like a giant battery, it can supercharge even small disturbances into major hurricanes. This year, sea surface temperatures in the main development region are at or near record highs. This critical stretch of ocean, where most Atlantic hurricanes are born, is experiencing warmth that rivals or exceeds anything on record, setting the stage for more frequent and intense storms. The warmth extends deep below the surface, providing storms with a vast energy reservoir. Unlike in some years, when only the top layer is warm, this year the heat penetrates much deeper, allowing storms to maintain their strength even as they churn up the water below. This means storms can form more easily and intensify rapidly, sometimes explosively. When a storm encounters these conditions, it can go from a weak system to a powerful hurricane in just a matter of hours, leaving little time for preparation. The widespread nature of this warmth removes natural barriers, opening more of the Atlantic to powerful hurricanes. With fewer cool patches to slow them down, storms can travel farther and grow stronger, threatening more coastal communities. This extreme ocean heat is part of a broader climate trend, with oceans absorbing much of the planet's excess warmth. As the planet warms, the oceans act as a giant heat sink, storing energy that can later be unleashed in the form of extreme weather. More fuel means more and stronger storms. The link between warm oceans and hurricane activity is clear, and this year's conditions are setting the stage for a season that could be both busy and dangerous. The warm ocean is the foundation for this predicted hyperactive season. It's the underlying force that meteorologists are watching closely, knowing it could shape the months ahead. It's the raw power behind the numbers, a reminder that when the ocean heats up, the atmosphere responds, often with dramatic and dangerous results. Another key factor is the shift to a strong La Niña phase in 2025. La Niña weakens wind shear over the Atlantic, creating calm, stable conditions for storms to form and intensify. Combined with record warm waters, this is a recipe for a hyperactive season. Historically, strong La Niña years have produced some of the most active hurricane seasons. The transition is clear. As Pacific waters cool, the Atlantic becomes more favorable for storm development. This alignment of ocean and atmospheric conditions dramatically increases the risk of powerful hurricanes. The signals are strong, and forecasters have high confidence in their prediction. Everyone in hurricane-prone areas should be on high alert. The Bermuda Azores High, a vast area of high pressure, acts as a steering wheel for Atlantic storms. This year it's expected to be weaker and positioned further south and west. That shift widens the path for storms to travel west, increasing the chance they'll reach the Caribbean and U.S. coastlines. Instead of curving harmlessly out to sea, more storms may be steered toward land. This pattern, combined with warm waters and La Niña, raises the risk of landfall. The high's behavior is a key reason for heightened concern this year. It's not just about more storms, it's about more storms heading our way. The threat to populated areas is real and elevated. With a hyperactive season forecast, where are storms most likely to hit? CSU's analysis shows a much higher risk for the entire U.S. coastline. There's a 74% chance of at least one major hurricane making landfall in the U.S., up from the usual 52%. The risk is nearly equal for the East Coast and Gulf Coast, both around 49%. The Caribbean faces an even higher risk, with a 76% chance of a major hurricane passing through. No region is immune. Everyone from the Gulf to New England must be prepared. These probabilities are a stark reminder. A busy Atlantic means a higher chance of impact for all. Preparation is essential everywhere. The science is complex, but the message is simple. Be prepared. Don't let a busy forecast make you complacent. One storm can change everything. Preparation starts now. Have a plan, know your evacuation route, and make sure your family is ready. Build a disaster kit with food, water, medications, and essentials for at least 3 days. Store important documents and supplies where you can grab them quickly. Stay informed about your area's specific risks: storm surge, flooding, or wind. Listen to local emergency officials for the latest updates and instructions. Remember, impacts can extend far from a storm's center. Preparedness saves lives. The 2025 hurricane forecast is our early warning, a crucial heads-up for everyone living in hurricane-prone areas. This year, experts predict 23 named storms and 11 hurricanes, numbers that are well above average and should not be taken lightly. 5 of these are expected to become major hurricanes, fueled by record-warm ocean temperatures and the return of La Niña. These conditions create the perfect environment for storms to intensify rapidly. making this a potentially historic season with the possibility of unprecedented impacts. The High Accumulated Cyclone Energy, or ACE Index, confirms that we should prepare for not just more storms but storms that are stronger and last longer than usual. This means greater potential for damage and disruption, especially if storms make landfall. Weather patterns this year suggest that more storms will be steered toward land, increasing the risk for millions of people along the coast and even far inland. Communities that have never experienced a direct hit before may find themselves in the path of a major storm. This is a clear call to action. Review your emergency plan, restock your disaster kit, and make sure your insurance coverage is up to date. Don't wait until a storm is on your doorstep to get ready. Preparedness is empowerment. It's the one thing we can control in the face of nature's uncertainty. Taking steps now can make all the difference when a hurricane threatens. The Atlantic hurricane season lasts 6 months, stretching from June through November. That's half the year when we need to stay alert and ready to act. Peak activity typically occurs from August to October, when conditions are most favorable for powerful storms to develop and intensify quickly. Even if the early months are quiet, don't let your guard down. Hurricanes can form and strike with little warning, so staying vigilant throughout the season is essential. Reliable information from the National Hurricane Center and local officials is essential. Follow trusted sources for updates, watches, and warnings, and don't rely on rumors or social media speculation. Our goal is resilience, to prepare, withstand, and recover from these storms as a community. Working together, we can minimize risks and help each other bounce back faster. Recovery starts with preparation. After the storm passes, communities that planned ahead are able to clean up, rebuild, and return to normal life much more quickly. The forecast gives us time to act. Let's use it wisely. Prepare your home, your family, and your community. Share information, check on neighbors, and make sure everyone knows what to do if a storm approaches. The time to get ready is now. Don't wait for the first storm warning. Take action today and face this hurricane season with confidence and peace of mind.